Hello, I'm Will Sampson from Cabinet Maker FDM magazine. We're in the shop today to talk about blades for track saws, like the Festool. Now there's other saws that are in the market that have track saws now, including DeWalt. For those not familiar with the tool, it gets its name of a track saw because it's designed to run in an aluminum track for very precise straight cuts. They're also sometimes called plunge cut saws because the saw itself is enclosed fully, and this makes for better dust collection and safety. The saw only comes out when you do a cut, and it retracts immediately after you're done. So it makes for a very safe situation. If you're doing plunge cuts, it also makes plunge cuts easier, like if you're doing things in flooring and stuff like that. The new blades that we're trying out today are from Freud. Previously, these saws, you were fairly limited in your choice of blade selection to the manufacturer's own blades. Freud, which is well known for its saw blades, now has come out with a line of 4 different blades specifically for these kinds of saws. There is a 24-tooth general purpose. There is what we have on the saw blade right now is one that's a 48-tooth specifically designed for sheet goods like plywood and melamine. And they also have another 48-tooth one that's designed specifically for laminate and laminate flooring. And a 4th one that is a 14-tooth for ripping. All of the Freud blades have the famous Freud carbide and the standard Freud coating that reduces friction. Another feature of the Freud blades is it has, I don't know if we can zoom in here and you can perhaps see a little better, has these little cuts, these little laser cuts here. These are to deaden sound. You take a conventional blade, zoom back out a little bit here. You take a conventional blade and hit it, and it rings like a bell. And the Freud blades, with those anti-vibration cuts, have kind of a dull sound, and they don't vibrate as much. And supposedly the lack of vibration makes for cleaner cuts and less noise. So that's something to consider. Well, let's see how it works cutting some plywood. Let's put our ears on, set up the saw. Zoom in here. Very smooth cut. No tear out on either side, either face of the veneers on this oak plywood. Very nice. So if you already have a track saw or are thinking of getting one, and we're wondering about your blade choices, now you know that you have some options beyond just what the manufacturer supplies, and something worth checking out. Well, that's what we've got for today. You can see more product reviews and videos on our website at cabinetmakerfdm.com. Thanks for watching.